Passive voice. The people elected him mayor. A. He was elected mayor the people. B. He was elected mayor by the people. C. Mayor is elected by the people. D. He is elected by the people mayor. Correct answer. B. He was elected mayor by the people. A fraction becomes 4/5 when 1 is added to each of the numerator and denominator. However, if we subtract 5 from each, then it becomes 1/2. The fraction is A. 5/8, B. 5/6, C. 7/9, D. 13/16. Correct answer, C. 7/9. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 11? A. 11, B. 9, C. 13, D. 15. Correct answer, B. 9. How many cubes can be cut of 1 centimeter having dimensions 10 times 12 times 15 in cm? A. 1,600, B. 1,800, C. 2,000, D. 2,200. Correct answer, B. 1,800. If the price of a carpet 8 meters long and 3 meters wide is Rs. 6,288, what will be the price of 12 meters long and 6 meter wide carpet? A. 18,864, B. 19,886, C. 20,889, D. 21,996. Correct answer, A. 18,864.